Hey children, here are 7 signs your DNA didn't fully get the memo that Neanderthals went extinct. Number 7. You have a weirdly powerful grip. You're just opening a jar of pickles. No big deal. Except everyone else has already given up, handed it to you, and is now staring like you just performed a miracle. Twist, pop, done. You laugh it off. Strong hands, whatever. But here's the thing. Neanderthals had hands built for survival, not smartphones. Their fingers were shorter, thicker, and packed with muscle. Perfect for gripping tools, throwing spears, and apparently embarrassing everyone at dinner parties. Studies on ancient skeletons show Neanderthal hand bones were significantly denser and more robust than ours. So if your handshake makes people wince, congratulations. You might be carrying a 40,000-year-old upgrade. Number 6. You feel pain more intensely than everyone else. You bump your knee on a table corner. Normal people say, ouch, move on, forget it happened. You need a moment, maybe 2. The pain lingers longer, hits harder, and your body treats every minor injury like a full emergency broadcast. People tell you you're being dramatic. You're not. Researchers at the Max Planck Institute found a Neanderthal DNA variant that basically gives your nerves a hair trigger. Everyone else feels a tap. You feel a punch. Everyone else gets a paper cut and moves on. You get a paper cut, and your entire nervous system files a formal complaint. It's not dramatic. You're just running 40,000-year-old pain software on a modern body, and that software has never been patched. Number 5. Your immune system goes absolutely feral. You get a tiny cold. Normal people sniffle for 2 days and move on. You? Full shutdown, fever, chills, body aches, the works. You're on the couch, wrapped in 3 blankets, convinced something has gone seriously wrong. Here's the kicker. That's not weakness. That's your immune system being too aggressive. Neanderthal DNA segments are heavily concentrated in genes that control immune response. Early humans who interbred with Neanderthals picked up serious defenses against pathogens they had never encountered before. Your immune system inherited that same scorched earth strategy. Great for surviving a medieval plague, slightly overkill for a Tuesday cold. Number 4. You have an unusually large head. Not metaphorically. Literally. Hat shopping is a nightmare. Headbands snap. Helmets never fit right. You've just quietly accepted that your skull lives by its own rules. Neanderthals had significantly larger craniums than modern humans. Bigger visual cortexes, wider skulls, built like a tank from the neck up. Scientists scanning modern human genomes found Neanderthal variants sitting right in the genes responsible for skull development. Not subtly either. Sitting there like they own the place. Your skull didn't malfunction. It just never forgot where it came from. Number 3. You're weirdly good at staying awake. Everyone else hits that 3 p.m. wall, eyes drooping, coffee in hand, counting minutes until they can go home and collapse. But you're somehow still going, still thinking, still functional, while the rest of the office is basically a zombie movie. Neanderthal DNA has been linked to genes that mess with your body clock. Specifically, how long you can push before your brain taps out. Your ancestors spent winters hunting in near total darkness. No alarm clocks, no schedules. Just stay awake until the job is done. That's still running in your blood. Your 3 p.m. is everyone else's midnight. Number 2. You have a ridge at the back of your skull. Go ahead, run your fingers along the base of your skull, right where it meets your neck. Feel a small bump or ledge back there? That's called an occipital bun, and it is a defining Neanderthal feature. Modern humans have round, smooth skulls at the back. Neanderthals had a distinctive protruding ridge at the base of their cranium, built to anchor powerful neck muscles for their heavily built bodies. Some modern humans still carry a subtle version of this same feature. Paleoanthropologists have noted it appearing in populations with higher Neanderthal ancestry. Most people go their entire lives without noticing it. Now you're going to spend the next 10 minutes checking. You're welcome. Number 1. You have chronic lower back pain. You didn't lift anything heavy. You didn't fall. You didn't do anything heroic. You just woke up, and your lower back is furious with you for no apparent reason. Doctors call it non-specific lower back pain. You call it your body betraying you at random intervals? Science actually has an answer for this. Researchers found Neanderthal DNA variants sitting in genes that control spinal structure and disc development. Neanderthals had a slightly different spinal curvature, built for their body, their weight, their way of moving. When those same variants got passed into a modern human skeleton with completely different proportions, the fit wasn't perfect. Think of it like installing a part from a 1970s engine into a 2024 car. Technically compatible. Not exactly smooth. Your back pain isn't weakness. It's ancient engineering. You are carrying the biomechanics of a creature that hunted woolly mammoths and survived ice ages. Your spine has simply never updated its software. Walk it off. Your ancestors fought glaciers. You'll be fine. 1 to 4% sounds like nothing, but that's the percentage deciding why you can't find a hat that fits, why you're still awake at 2 a.m., feeling completely fine, and why bumping your knee sends you into a 5-minute recovery. Tiny number, surprisingly loud consequences. Somewhere in your cells, mixed in between the genes that decide your eye color and your coffee preference, there are fragments of a species that was painting cave walls and burying their dead. Before civilization was even a concept, they didn't go extinct. Not entirely. They just became you. If you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. See you